Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Whiff or Dogwifhat, if you wanted to know the full name of the crypto. But no, wanted to do a full video here because I know quite a lot of you are holding and trading this, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts. All right. In general, Whiff also after the dumps we got on Friday and Saturday, Whiff actually recovered fairly well, I would say. Not the strongest recoverer, but still, like I said, a lot of you are trading this. It does look like we're starting to be a little bit more bullish here with Whiff. So that's enough reasons for me to cover it. All right, so that's what I wanted to do. If you look at Whiff right now, I mean, what you can see, but this is for all cryptos. But what you can see is that we are gaining some strong momentum here. Basically, since yesterday, around 11 p.m., 12 a.m. or so, we started to gaining momentum in the markets. And in general, to start off this video, what I want to tell you is that at this point of time, I think the most important level for Bitcoin to break above, and this might sound strange because all of a sudden we're talking about Bitcoin. Well, we were talking about Whiff, but trust me, it makes sense. The most important level to break for Bitcoin is around 67,000. If we can break above that and then actually hold it as support, that means that Bitcoin, at least on the low time frames, is quite bullish. All right, and if Bitcoin is quite bullish, that's the only way that meme coins like Whiff can rally. We need a relatively strong market because otherwise, and that's just, I mean, if you remember back in February and March, meme coins did amazing, but it was possible because Bitcoin was relatively strong. Whiff has been relatively strong at times as well when Bitcoin was weaker, but it's way more likely that meme coins are strong if Bitcoin is strong. So keep an eye on that, all right? In general, if you look at Whiff right now, what you can see is that it very much, if you really zoom in, what it looks like we are forming, because we are not really respecting the downtrend anymore. Like that trend line was not respected. The EMAs right here, not really respected as resistance. So what that means is that we are losing this downtrend, which is great. But there also is not enough momentum to break above our main resistance level, which is this level, I would say, around 3.36 and 3.35. So what we are waiting for right now, I think that Whiff at this point of time is in the middle of this level, or in the middle of these two levels between let's say 2.75 to give us a bit of a margin, and 3.36. Those are the strongest support level and the most relevant support level we have, and the most relevant and strongest resistance level we have. And especially 3.36, it's a strong resistance level. All right. So those are the two most important key levels around us, and we should just wait for a confirmation. All right. We should just wait for a breakout. If we can break out of one of those two levels on the 4-hour time frame, then we have confirmation that one of the two sides is stronger. Because like I said, on the short term, we're getting a lot of confirmations right here that Whiff is neutral, which is good because we were bearish, but now that has to turn into something. And to be completely honest, and I never like to say this because you're here for an analysis on Whiff, but to be honest, you should wait for this confirmation. You should wait for this breakout. And which one of the two breakouts is most likely fully depends on Bitcoin. Now, I personally think that this was a local bottom for Bitcoin, so that Whiff can actually rally and break above 3.35. So that's what I think is most likely, and then a continuation up to $4 and maybe even higher. That's what I think is most likely, but that's purely based on my expectations for Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that yourself as well. If Bitcoin starts crashing, Whiff will drop down below 2.75 and drop down towards $2 before you know it. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments as well. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.